GR IAS Academy.
"100 days, 100 themes, one goal UPSC Prelims." Hello everyone, welcome back to Mission Surya. In this program we deal with current affairs completely from prelims perspective. So let's get started. Manas National Park and Sundarbans National Park. Let's talk about Manas National Park. So why it is in news? IUCN puts two national parks on significant concern list. Of that, one is Manas National Park and the other is Sundarbans National Park. So let's see about Manas National Park first. So where it is located? It is located in Assam. Manas Wildlife Sanctuary or Manas National Park is located at Assam, and international boundary is there for it with Bhutan company, and it gets its name from the Manas river that flows through this sanctuary. So river Manas is the reason why it is called as Manas National Park, and it is identified as UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it also comes under Tiger Reserve and Elephant Reserve and Biosphere Reserve, and it is in Babar Terai region. It is in Babar Terai region. It has grasslands which have alluvial soil and deciduous forests are present. Let's see, there are few fauna that are present only in this region, that is pygmy hog, and there are some important species as well like golden langur, hispid hare, Bengal tiger, rhino, wild water buffalo, and in this Bengal florican, a bird which is critically endangered is also surviving in the Manas National Park. And the next one is Sundarbans National Park. So this national park also has been marked by IUCN as under significant concern. So that is why we are studying about Sundarbans as well. This is very important mangrove in the world. What is mangrove, right? Mangroves are some species which are having Sundari tree it will control the coastal areas soil not to be disturbed. So they control the flow of the water and destroy of the coastal erosion. So Sundari trees are adapted for the mangroves. And what else is so specific about this place? Royal Bengal tiger. Why? Royal Bengal tiger is one tiger species that got adapted to these mangroves. They can drink salt water and survive. So that is the specialty of this place, Sundarbans. Okay. So it has, what else it has? It has few projects running in the Sundarbans like Project Tiger, Biosphere Reserve. It's a Ramsar site. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a national park as well. It is located in West Bengal, and it shares the region with Bangladesh as well. Okay, and it is the largest mangrove ecosystem, just now I told. Okay, and it is a delta of three rivers, Ganga, Brahmaputra and Meghna river. So all three rivers flows through the Sundarbans. So that is why delta is found with the three rivers. And what about the ecology? Sundari tree is part of this mangrove forest. So Sundari tree is the main species that exists in Sundarbans. That's how the name was Sundarbans. Okay, Sundari tree is the reason why it is called Sundarbans. And ecosystem is Issurin. So Issuris are there. Nematophores. What are nematophores? They can breathe through the roots, right? So that is there. And what about fauna present in the Sundarbans? Royal Bengal tiger that has been completely adapted to the mangrove ecosystem, which can survive on salt water. And there is saltwater crocodile, fishing cat, leopard cat, Indian grey mongoose, wild boar. And there are few species that are marine organisms and are endangered. Those are Ganges river dolphin, olive ridley turtle. This has been already asked in a UPSC olive ridley turtle and river terrapin. This is also in concern list in IUCN red list. What about other concerns? For mangroves destroyal, climate change is the main reason for any species to get threatened. Always the first reason will be climate change, and then the sea level rise. So what happens if sea level rises? Most of the Sundarbans, what happens? They get submerged, right? Cyclones. This is the most common, human interference is the most common reason for the threatening of any species, okay? And if the conservation is not done properly, that is also a reason. There is a decline in the conservation, so that is also one reason why Sundarbans are being threatened. Next one is Kuno National Park. So why it is in news? There is this Mukhi, which is the first cheetah that has completed 3 years at Madhya Pradesh, Kuno National Park. So we know, right, cheetahs have got extinct in our country. So we brought few cheetahs initially from Namibia, later from South Africa. So after that few species have been born in India. Now one of the first cheetah that has born here has become 3 years old. So that is why it got into news. So where it is located? In Madhya Pradesh Kuno National Park, okay. So it is a tributary of Chambal River, and it has dry deciduous forest as well as grasslands. So predators here present are cheetah, leopard and wolf. Cheetah has been reintroduced, okay. Herbivores that are present in this national park are cheetal, sambar and nilgai. Nilgai is also very important for your exam. And there are few birds present in this national park, that is Indian and Egyptian vulture, and it is a ideal habitat for cheetah survival. So that is why Kuno National Park, in Kuno National Park cheetah has been reintroduced, and they have even reproduced over there. So what do you have to remember for the exam here? In 1952, cheetah is the only large carnivore that got extinct in our India after independence. So they occupy the grassland areas. That's why it has been aimed at conserving them at scrublands and open forest. So there is a collaboration between different agencies, that is NTCA, okay, National Tiger Conservation Authority, under Wildlife Protection Act, okay. It is in a project that is not about tigers, so okay. So usually NTCA is for tigers, right, okay, but still they have collaborated with different institutions, and they have worked on a project for the reintroduction of cheetah under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. And why it has been chosen as perfect habitat for cheetahs? Because of its low human interference and high prey availability. So that is the reason why Kuno has been chosen. And then comes, just now we told, under Project Cheetah they have been reintroduced, right? So what is Project Cheetah? So it was launched in 2022, and we have brought cheetahs over there, and it is the first intercontinental translocation in India after 1952. So who is undertaking this process? Who is overlooking this process? MOEFCC, Ministry of Forests, Environment and Climate Change. And who is working under MOEFCC? NTCA and WII. Both are working under MOEFCC in order to introduced cheetah in the Kuno National Park. And who are providing cheetahs for reintroduction? Namibia is the first country where we brought cheetahs from, and South Africa is the second country where we brought cheetahs from to the reintroduction in the Kuno National Park. And what are the main objectives for this project cheetah? We want them to reproduce without any external support. So that is the reason why they have been introduced in the wild instead of conserving them in the zoos and conservative areas, okay? And they are restoring grassland ecosystem because that is suitable for the cheetahs to survive. Cheetah habitat is mostly grasslands. That is why they are restoring the grassland ecosystem. And they want to increase the biodiversity. So whenever you are introducing predators, ecological balance will be restored. So that is why it will promote biodiversity also. And when more biodiversity is there, people will visit more often. So it will improve the ecotourism as well. So Project Cheetah is aimed not only at conserving the biodiversity of the area, not only for ecological balance, but also it has tourism as an objective as well. Okay, what are its features? So they will be having radio collars in order to monitor them, okay, and they will be released in different phases, okay. Reintroduction of cheetahs is not done at once, they are released in phases and they are tracked using this radio collars, and they are focusing on genetic diversity. So they want to avoid interbreeding in between the species, so they are released in different phases from different countries. In any project or any mission, there will be definitely challenges and we have to aim to reduce them, right? So what are the challenges? So since they are brought from some other place, intercontinental translocation, right? So when they are coming into new place to survive, it's not very easy to adapt. So that is why there will be high mortality and the grasslands are yet to be restored completely. So there is a limitation in the habitation, and obviously humans are always the main reason. So there will be a conflict between people as well, people and animals, and there will be many predators, right? We have seen there are 3-4 types of predators. So there will be competition among them for the prey. And last but not the least and the important one is adaptation issue. They are translocated from another country. So that is a main challenge that we will face in case of any translocation of any species. And then how it is important for the India and the world. So we are shifting our focus from passive protection to active ecological restoration. How we are doing that? Normally, if we are doing only passive protection, what will we do? We protect them in conservative areas, right? There will have special places for us to help them reproduce, right? Instead of that, we are making them self-sustainable. So that is how we are making it a natural process and making them adapt to the wildlife. So that is how India is conserving ecological biodiversity, especially it is following SDG goal of 15, that is life on land, okay. So it is in CBD also. That's all for today. For complete notes, please visit our website. Links are given in the description box below. For your complete UPSC preparation, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Telegram channels. Thank you.